Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing restaurant-style prawn tikka masala. The dish looks so delicious and tempting. It's an ideal and perfect way to enjoy a restaurant-style curry with seafood. Let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marination. And now the ingredients for the masala. Preparation. Add all the marination ingredients to the prawns in a mixing bowl, which is the salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, corn flour, oil and lemon juice. Mix and set aside to marinate for 1 hour. Fry the prawns in hot oil on medium heat for 1 minute on each side. Take care not to cook the prawns too much. Remove and set aside for later use in this recipe. Next, fry the chopped capsicum in the same oil until 3/4 done. Again, remove and set aside for later use. Method: heat oil in the wok, then add in the cumin seeds and drop in the onions and fry. Add in the salt and chopped green chilies. Fry for a couple of minutes. Drop in the ginger paste and the garlic paste. Fry. Cover and simmer until the onions become soft. Open and fry on medium heat until the onions become light brown. Add in the Kashmiri chili powder, Tandoori masala powder and the Madras mild curry powder. Fry well. Add in the chopped tin tomatoes. Fry for a couple of minutes. Add in the tinned tomato soup, coconut milk powder, tomato ketchup, cream, chopped green coriander, and crushed dried fenugreek leaves. Fry well. Add in the butter and again fry well. Add approximately 1 cup of hot water. Bring to boil. Then cover and simmer for a couple of minutes. Open and drop in the fried prawns and the fried capsicum that we had prepared earlier. Mix. Add in the garam masala powder and aromatic salt to taste. The link to the aromatic salt is given in the description. Mix and cover for a couple of minutes. Open and taste and add salt and balsamic vinegar if required to adjust the taste of the dish to your liking. Garnish with chopped green coriander and flaked almonds. And finish off by drizzling fresh cream for a better taste and a richer texture. The flaked almonds are the best part and will give the dish a crunchy taste. Serve with naan bread and fresh salad or with any other accompaniment of your choice. It's so yummy and so delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try, have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.